World Post Day, 9th October. World Post Day is celebrated in remembrance of the establishment of Universal Postal Union (UPU) in 1874 in Bern, Switzerland. It was declared as the World Post Day by the UPU Congress held in Tokyo, Japan in 1969. The UPU focused on global communications revolution with the aim that people could write to others all over the world. This day highlights the importance of the postal services. Objective: World Post Day aims to create awareness of the role of the postal section in day-to-day lives of people and also its contribution to the social and economic development of the nation. History: From the earliest times in history, postal services existed in the form of messengers who traveled large distances on foot or horseback. In the 1600s and 1700s, many centuries set up national postage systems and entered into bilateral agreements for the exchange of mail between countries. By the late 1800s, there was a large web of bilateral agreements that made the distribution of international mail complicated, non-transparent, and inefficient. In 1863, Montgomery Blair, Postmaster General in the United States of America, organized a conference of representatives from 15 European and American countries. During this conference, the delegates laid down a number of general principles for mutual agreements on international postal services, but did not create an international postal agreement. On September 15, 1874, Heinrich von Steuben, a senior postal official in the North German Confederation, an area that forms a part of Germany, Poland, and Russia, opened a conference in Bern, Switzerland, with delegates from 22 countries. On October 9, 1874, the delegates signed the Treaty of Bern and established the General Postal Union. The number of countries that were members of General Postal Union grew rapidly, and the union's name was changed to the Universal Postal Union in 1878. In 1948, the Universal Postal Union became a specialized agency of the United Nations. The 16th Universal Postal Union Congress was held in Tokyo, Japan from October 1 to November 16, 1969. During this conference, the delegates voted to declare October 9 each year as World Post Day. Importance of postal services today. The work of the Universal Postal Union continues to be very important to global communication and trade, even in the era of digital communication. In areas of communities with a high level of access to digital communication, postal services are important for distributing goods bought in internet stores. In communities with lower levels of access to digital communication, postal services remain vital for distribution of information and goods. Post offices and trucks used to deliver mail to outlying areas are also becoming service points to bring digital communication to many more people. Moreover, the Union is working on ways to bring electronic money transfer services to rural areas in countries. Observance. In many international organizations and countries, high-ranking officials or ministers make speeches or issues proclamations on the history or achievements of national or international postal services. Postal services may issue special postage stamps to commemorate the ideals, history, or achievements of the National Postal Service on or around World Post Day. These are prized by stamp collectors or philatelists, people who study stamps. In addition, special lessons on these topics may be arranged for school children, and the postal services and their employees may receive extra training or recognition and attention in the media. The Universal Postal Union, in cooperation with UNESCO, has for the past 35 years organized an international letter writing competition for young people. Many participating postal services use World Post Day to award prizes to the winners of the competition.